So, you want to understand how your Phantom wallet would connect within games or applications that use beamable technology. I got you! Many game developers in the USA are exploring Web3 features and platforms like Beamable help them build these experiences. Beamable itself is a platform that provides tools for game creators to build and run their games. So, as a player, you would not typically connect your Phantom wallet directly to Beamable in the way you might connect to a crypto exchange or marketplace. Instead, if a specific game you are playing was built using Beamable and that game supports Web3 features with the Phantom wallet, then you would connect your wallet inside that particular game. The steps would be similar to connecting to other web-enabled applications. You'd look for a Connect Wallet button within the game itself. Select Phantom from the options, and then approve the connection through your Phantom Wallet extension when it pops up. Always ensure you are interacting with an official game or application. Sometimes platforms like Beamable might have special community tasks where you submit a wallet address for rewards, but this is different from a direct functional connection for in-game transactions, and that's it.